whenever that we fail to score by ourselves, the opponent score for us. That is why I believe that this season belongs to us. Look at this. Clear penalty for Arsenal, but they deny us. Let me just tell you, if Nottingham Forest eventually reach our 18, whatsoever happened there, they will give them penalty. If to say we commit one small foul, they should have given us red card. That is what these referees have been doing to Arsenal previous years. But this time around, Arsenal set a standard. Arsenal create a way of managing all the situation where there is problem. They see how to create a means of escaping it. That is why I am telling you today that Arsenal this year is their season, and they are carrying all the trophies that we are playing. The 4 trophies that you are seeing, Arsenal is going to carry them all. Believe it or not, the Arsenal fans believe it.